we continue to strengthen our market surveillance and enforcement system to detect irregularities early and hold offenders accountable. In doing so, we are also working closely with the law enforcement agencies, including the police, IOCO, the Judiciary, and Attorney General Department, to ensure that individuals and entities that defraud investors face the full consequences of the law. More importantly, the SEC is strengthening its oversight and regulatory powers to ensure fair market practices and investor protection. Hence, moved to overhaul the current Security Industry Act Act 929 of 2016, as amended by the Security Industry Amendment Act of 2021 at 1062, to more robust acts for effective regulation. The new bill has so far gone through extensive internal review and will soon be submitted to the Ministry of Finance for consideration and onward submission to the Attorney General Department. It will subsequently be laid before Parliament for passage into law, potentially before the end of next year, 2026, all things being equal. The bill forms part of the effort to transition Ghana's capital market from a frontier to an emerging capital market status.